Matt Wintz, you made such a nice little graphic for us.
You're welcome.
Shaking out the heart.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very creative.
I know, and you can't find them anywhere this year, so that was even
Extra
more
special.
difficult. I'm telling you, that's right. You know, I'm going to start this weathercast by something else that's very extra special. You notice the sunset's been getting later, right?
Yeah.
It's that time of year we're coming out of that winter. I'm telling you, it feels good. Take a look at this. These are your sunsets over the next 5 Wednesdays. It's not symmetrical the way these work, but look at that, 7:30, guys.
Wow.
We switched the clocks back or forward in 4 weeks. Can't wait for that. But you've noticed that 6 o'clock sunset here. We're getting close to it. By next Wednesday, we're talking 6:06. And look at that, 7:30 by March 13th. That's just in a couple weeks, less than a month, folks, and we are just out of this. Is the weather going to follow suit? No, it's not going to happen. It takes a little bit of time, right? And we had some lake effect snow showers today. I was actually out doing a weather school visit in Geauga County in the Burton area. It's coming down out there. I mean, that's typical for areas in the highlands in Geauga County, but the lake effect snow continued out east in Lake and Geauga and Ashtabula County today. You see it's starting to wind down. We've got drier air and a wind shift moving in here, so that'll cut down some of the snowfall that we have out there. About an inch or two today. A lot of it didn't stick, though, with that daytime insulated heating. But temperatures in the upper 20s. It's much colder than where we were 24 hours ago. That wind was the big story last night, gusting over 45 miles per hour at times. It's still gusty outside. We've lost the wind advisory. These winds will start to ease as we go throughout the evening hours as high pressure builds in. You'll notice that tomorrow morning, not very windy at all. That's the good news. But putting a bite on it, there's your wind chills, basically feeling more like 15 to 20 degrees outside. So where do we go from here? Well, we've actually got a quiet night. It's been a while since we've been able to say that, but we're only going to settle back into the mid-20s, kind of where we're at right now. As temperatures start to spike towards daybreak, that's a sign that we've got a warming atmosphere and perhaps another weather system moving in, and that is the case tomorrow. So here's that briefly colder air that we have over the Great Lakes. You can see all the lake effect snow going from here up through Lake Ontario, but things are going to change around quickly. We've got, compared to that polar vortex we had a couple weeks ago where the cold air went all the way down to the Gulf Coast, this is a brief hit. It's going more west to east, so some of this cold air is going to stay in here tonight. But look down to our south and the west. Quick warming on the backside of this. We've got a high pressure down in the Mississippi Valley. On the backside of that, we're tagging into that return flow, and that return flow is going to bring some warmer temperatures to our area tomorrow. How about that? Quick turnaround on this. So let's go hour by hour, show you the numbers. Tomorrow morning, as you're out to work or school, we're going to see some sun peaks, I think, and then those clouds will continue to build back in. So we're looking at a pretty cloudy Thursday. We're going to start right where we're at right now in the 20s, but by afternoon, I think mid and upper 40s ought to do it. We don't have a lot of snowpack down to the south, and I think we're going to have some pretty nice warming with a decent south breeze. Now, that breeze will start to pick up tomorrow evening, and for your Valentine's Day plans, perhaps out to dinner, you'll be dry, but if you're having that dessert or that late night, you can tell we're going to have some showers around. So you might want to carry that umbrella. The showers move in late tomorrow, and then we're dealing with a round of showers, kind of an unorganized front Friday morning. We start your day in the 40s, but notice what happens. We get colder throughout the day as we're back into the 20s by afternoon. I don't see a lot of snow with that system as it looks right now. And beyond that, we're looking pretty quiet. There's that system that develops over us tomorrow. Another one bringing snow to the Tennessee Valley over the weekend. That will miss us. And then we've got this weakening system to watch on Sunday. I'll be here this weekend keeping tabs on that. I think maybe a little snow out of that Saturday or Sunday into Monday as it looks right now. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast, 47 tomorrow. There's your Valentine's Day gift. Colder on Friday, and then for the weekend, we're back into the 30s. Pretty steady temps from here.
That's our gift. There's nothing else.
You're welcome. Okay. I didn't wrap it, but
we'll take it as is. Thank you.
Thank you.